Home Affairs Department investigating Bushri's residency in SA. The department says the investigation into self-proclaimed prophet Shepherd Bushri's residency is a routine exercise to assist in the ongoing investigation. Johannesburg, the Home Affairs Department has told Eyewitness News that it's investigating self-acclaimed prophet Shepherd Bushri's residency in the country. Bushri and his wife Mary, who both lead the Enlightened Christian Gathering Church, have drawn much attention after they were charged with fraud and money laundering. The Malawian nationals are out on bail and will be back in court in May. The department says the investigation into Bushri's residency is a routine exercise to assist in the ongoing investigation. The department says that Bushri first entered South Africa in September 2009 but only acquired permanent residency which would have allowed him to run his church in May 2016. But his church is recorded to have been active in South Africa already in 2012. Home Affairs says that the investigation is to establish compliance with the Immigration Act. Officials say their investigation should be complete by the end of this week.